Hey, Sam here. Welcome to this demo of Videlligence 2.0. Now, this is a new version of the software that launched last year, which lets you create videos from a URL. So you could take any URL on the internet that's could be a product, could be a showcase of items, whatever you want, and it'll create a sales video for you from a number of templates. Now, this is the second version of this. If you already have the first version, here's something you should know. You do have to get this one to get the features in this one. Now, the new features in this, we got over 100 new templates for you to enjoy. This was the biggest feedback from the customers wanting to use more templates, wanting more templates to be able to create videos. So there's over 100 new templates to enjoy. The team have also tuned up the AI in terms of what it picks from the page and how it turns it into a video for you as well. So those are the two new features within Videlligence. Creating a video is still as easy as it was. So let's jump in and take a look at how to create a video with Videlligence. Now, this is a software that allows you to be able to take any page from a URL and create a video out of it. It is especially good for taking, say, a product on an e-commerce store and being able to turn it into a short promotional video to be able to be used on Facebook or on a website, social media, things like that. Very, very simple to get started. All we do is, here's the dashboard here actually. You can either build it straight from a template with your own content and brand colors if you want to get carried away with it, or you can just use a URL. Now, the beauty about using just the URL is it means you can do it all within this in a number of clicks, and you'll see what I mean in a minute. You don't need any fancy software, you don't need to take 10 minutes or 20 minutes to create a short video, sometimes even, well over an hour to create a video. You don't need a library full of assets or anything either. It does it all used what's on the URL. So let's go start with the product page to video system. So we click on that. As you can see here, insert product page URL. So I'm going to jump up here. This is a e-commerce store for a shop that my friend owns where I stay in New Zealand sometimes. So I'm going to go through, I'm going to find some content. I'm just going to click on menswear because I have some of this stuff. Okay, I can take this, I can click view. So I found a product that we want to use. So this looks like it's good. What I'm going to do is all I have to do is just take this link up the top, copy that link, go in here, put it in the page URL. It's going to check that link, the tick box shows up here, and we click next. Okay, it's going to take us through to the next step. As you can see, it says works best with Shopify stores, eBay, and Amazon links. So it's just loading up the editor here. Here we go. So we can choose the template that is right for us. So what's going to use, you can hover the mouse and see how it shows up. So we can see there's one here. It looks like it's going to scroll through a number of pictures. With that one, we've got this one here as well, a different sort of style, or this one as well. What could be used for specials, 50% off. So you can sort of just go through and just choose what you think is going to be the best for what you want to use. So here we go. Here's one, exclusive discount. Okay, and then the sportswear one too. Let's just use this one for the purpose of this demo. Looks nice and easy. I'm going to click select, work my way down and click next. There's a number of templates available on the front end to keep you busy. So as it says, as you can see, left to right, choose the right title. So we can choose the standard title from the product, or I could just even just go through and click any one of these, like have you seen our new merchandise? This looks like a good title. Choose the product price, so I can say starting from or whatever price it is, and then choose a call to action. I'm going to click shop now. So I've gone left to right, very, very easy. As all I've done since putting in that URL is just clicked the button a few times. I'm going to click next, and it's going to load up the next stage where we choose 3 images for our video. So I'm going to use this image, this one, and this one. Well, it's only chosen 3, so very, very easy. You can also upload your own custom images should you need to. So I'm going to click next, and that will start compiling everything together. Now all we need is an audio track over the top, so if we just click on one and we click play up here, so you can see there's a number of different sorts of tracks. So this one sounds pretty cool. We might just roll with this one for this. All these tracks you can use, they are all included with this as well. So I'm going to click next. Here it is. Final. All we have to do is upload our logo. So I'm going to click upload logo. I'm going to just select the logo. We can put the URL in here. So I'm just going to copy the URL out of the address bar. Okay. I'm going to put it in here. You can customize the colors of the text and everything as well if you want to. So for the sake of this one, I'm just going to leave it as is and say create video. Now I am going to call this the craft house demo, okay, and click create video. Now I'm going to let that edit itself up. Okay, it's going to render it all within the server. Now, the beauty about this sort of stuff is you can either use it for your own e-commerce stores, or what you can do is you can actually build something like this for a local business and go and pitch it to them and sell it to them. You can say, look, I'm going to do a package of 10 videos for you, 10 videos for $500 or $300 or whatever you want to price it as, and start making profit from there. Another good way to make profit while this is loading up is if we go over into Fiverr, go to fiverr.com, okay, you can see this is where you can list the jobs. So if we go into video and animation, let's just have a quick look and see how much people, there we go, promotional and brand videos. Okay, it's trying to make me sign in. Let's get out of there. So there we go. I will make a professional promotional video, $400, $400, $100. So you could create something. As you can see, how quickly it's taken us to create this. The rendering's almost finished. And these people were charging, even $50. You can make it in a number of seconds, just like that, to be able to create a promotional video. Now, what other sorts of tools are there out there like this? There is another one that is very similar out there. It is called Clipman. Clipman is another similar one to what this can do. This is an established one out there. It does a similar job. Here is the pricing for it. You can see it is $97 a month, or $497 a year, or $997 lifetime. So check out down below on the bonus page, because Videlligence is available at a much, much reduced rate compared to this. Got all the same features and more, does basically the same job, but it is a lot more friendly in terms of price, and you can get it paying itself off very quickly by selling these videos to local business on Fiverr, anything like that.